If Opera is showing an application error on your Windows PC, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. We'll start with repairing a common Windows component, then we'll uninstall Opera completely, remove leftover browser data, and clear any remaining files that may be causing the problem. This is one of the best ways to fix Opera application errors when the browser refuses to open properly, crashes on launch, or keeps showing repeated error messages. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we need to repair the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable packages. These files are important because many applications, including Opera, depend on them to run correctly. To do this, go to the Windows search bar, type Control Panel, and open it. Once Control Panel is open, click on Uninstall a program. This will show you a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Now look carefully for the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable entries. You want to find the versions from 2015 and newer, right up to the most recent one you have installed. There may be several of them listed, and that's completely normal. Right-click one of the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable packages, select Change, and then click Repair. If you see more than one version in the list, it's a good idea to repeat this repair process for each one from 2015 onward. Once the repair is finished, restart your PC. This step is important because it allows Windows to apply the repair properly and refresh the system files Opera relies on. After the restart, test Opera again and see if the application error is gone. If it still appears, don't worry, because we're going to fully remove Opera and clean up any corrupted user data that may still be causing the issue. Go back to Control Panel, then again click Uninstall a program. This time, find Opera in the list of installed programs. Right-click Opera and choose Uninstall. During the uninstall process, make sure you check the box that says Delete your user browsing data. This is a very important step because broken browser profiles, corrupted cache files, and damaged settings can sometimes keep the error happening even after reinstalling the browser. Let Opera uninstall completely and wait until the process finishes. After that, we need to manually remove any leftover Opera files. To do that, press Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. In the Run window, type %appdata% and press Enter. This will take you to the App Data Roaming folder, where Windows stores user-specific application data. Inside that folder, look for a folder named Opera Software. If you see it, delete the Opera Software folder. This clears out any remaining settings or corrupted data that may not have been removed during the uninstall. If the folder is already gone, that's fine too, just move on. At this point, you've repaired an important Windows dependency, removed Opera, and deleted leftover profile data. That gives you a fresh start and often fixes the application error completely. Now you can reinstall Opera again if needed, and it should launch much more cleanly without the same error interrupting startup. So to quickly recap, repair Microsoft Visual C Redistributables in Control Panel, restart your computer, uninstall Opera and delete user browsing data, then check %appdata% and remove the Opera software folder if it remains. These steps solve a lot of Opera startup and application error problems on Windows. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.